Alrighty guys, thank you for joining me once again. My name is Hunter Wilkins and this is Father and Forge 3D. So basically what we're doing right now, I'm just going through the design process. I was working on a shelf, just like a miniature shelf. I've seen some of these designs before and they look pretty cool. Basically you make a piece of furniture and put a bunch of little miniature stuff on it and it looks really cool when it's done. So that's what I was going for here. You can see actually this is the first design test I tried to do and it wasn't really working out, so I ended up scrapping that and I end up going to a whole different design. I mean, it's pretty much the same design, just I changed a couple things around, added like the star pattern cut out for the details instead. And basically I just changed a couple of things like that, and then the rest is pretty straightforward. So we're just kind of adjusting the scale, making sure everything's going to fit nice, and then we'll end up throwing this on the slicer in just a moment. So now we're on the slicer, getting it ready to slice, loading up into the printer. This is my secondary printer, Indorella. Now we're going back to print. My other printer is Printessa, so I've got Printessa and Indorella, and this green one is Indorella. So if you notice here, I'm printing on the ultra bed material that came with my Enders. Actually I don't particularly like this material too much. Like, I like it, it's really nice, it releases really well, it seems like a really good product, but I never can get it to print properly. I have peeled edges or failure to stick most of the time when I do it. So if anybody has any tips on using that bed material, let me know in the comments below. I think it might be a temperature issue. I might be just running it too hot. I'm not sure. So here's the shelf finished and primed. We just primed in black. Usually I prime in white, but for this I went with a darker color for priming because I'm going to go over it with brown. Now we're going through and printing some of the little accessories that I designed. These are some little skulls. There's one of the skulls printed, and there's some books that I'm working on painting, and we're printing some more books here or there. So there's some of the finished stuff. Now we're popping it on the shelf here. Got some potions and some little other miniature stuff here, and this is basically the completed design. So that's what it looks like when it's all put together. I'm making more little tiny models and stuff, so these will be completely customizable and they will be available. So contact me either through here or message me on Instagram. Instagram is my main source here. So Instagram is probably the best way to contact me if you would like something like this. You can just DM me and go over some of the details with me personally, and we can design something together basically. So that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys that design process and me putting this together, and hopefully I'll get some answers on that bed material, because I switched back to the glass, and actually since doing this video I've actually installed the CR Touch on both printers, which is amazing. I love it. So was a huge upgrade for me, but I'm still printing on the glass with glue, so if I want to try out the other side again, but I just want to know what it is I'm doing wrong. Anyway, that's it. Please like and subscribe if you like this. There'll be more to come, and check me out on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, you are missing out. I post projects daily on Instagram, and that's about it. Again, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.